What causes a burst pipe? A burst pipe can cause serious damage fast. Here's what to watch for. Hi, I'm Dustin Hufsey with Ben Franklin Plumbing, Mohave County. Pipes can burst due to age, corrosion, or sudden pressure changes. Even in Mohave County, temperature swings can weaken pipes over time. If you notice bulging pipes, water stains, or hear banging noises, it's time for an inspection. Don't wait for a costly emergency. Call 928-263-8598 or visit benfranklinplumbingmohavecounty.com today.